You can install a perfectly clean, blazing fast copy of Windows 11 in about 12 minutes. Yes, really. What once was a day-long ordeal of floppy disks, cryptic commands, and endless patience has become a streamlined, almost effortless process. This guide is for you, the everyday computer user. It's for the student who just built a new PC, the remote worker whose laptop has grown sluggish and unreliable, or anyone who simply wants that glorious new computer feeling without buying a new computer. We're going to banish the guesswork and the anxiety. There will be no technical jargon left unexplained, no confusing steps left to chance. Consider this your friendly, step-by-step map to a successful, speedy installation. The magic of a fresh installation cannot be overstated. Over time, your computer accumulates digital gunk. Old programs leave behind forgotten files, system settings get tangled, performance slowly degrades in a way you might not even notice day to day. A clean install is like a factory reset for your entire operating system. It wipes the slate clean, removing years of accumulated clutter potential malware you didn't know you had and the mysterious slowdowns that plague even the most powerful machines. Before a chef starts cooking, they lay out all their ingredients. This is called mise en place. It avoids mid-process panic. We'll do the same for installing Windows. You'll need the computer you're installing Windows 11 on. This might be a brand new machine or an older machine you're looking to refresh. You need a USB flash drive, at least 8 GB of storage. 16 GB is even better. 32 is common and cheap. Make sure the USB is empty. It will be completely erased. Next, the Windows 11 installation file, the ISO. You can download it directly and for free from Microsoft's official site. You don't pay to download. Payment comes from the product key. A product key is a 25-character code. If your PC came with Windows 10 or 11, you likely have a digital license tied to the hardware. If you built the PC yourself, you'll need to buy a key. The most critical ingredient, backup. I'm going to say this again. You must back up your files. A clean installation will erase everything on the main drive. Your documents, your photos, your downloads, everything. Have a plan. External drive, cloud, or both. Ensure stable internet to download the ISO and tool. Let's talk about backing up your data, and let's make it simple. This isn't a chore, it's your digital life insurance policy. The easiest method for most people is using an external hard drive. Plug it in with USB, your PC will see it as a new drive. Open File Explorer, the little folder icon on your taskbar. Documents, downloads, pictures, music, videos. Copy these folders and paste them onto your external drive. Right-click a folder like Documents and choose Copy. Then go to your external drive and choose Paste. Repeat for pictures, videos, and any other folder with important data. Don't forget your desktop. This may take a while. Start it, then grab a coffee. Cloud storage is excellent too. OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox. Many are built into File Explorer. Drag files into your cloud folder and they sync automatically. Your files are backed up and available on any device. You may need extra space for lots of photos or video. Before installing, unplug your external backup and set it aside. Double-check your most critical files on another computer or your phone. Make sure the irreplaceable stuff is really there. Now we get to the fun part. Turning that ordinary USB drive into a special key that can install Windows 11. This bootable drive lets your PC start from the USB. Use Microsoft's Media Creation tool. I recommend it for most people. Go to the download page, click Create Installation Media, then Download Now. Plug in an empty 8 GB or larger USB, it will be erased. Run the tool and click Accept on the license terms. Choose Create Installation Media for another PC. Defaults are correct for 99% of users. Click Next. Pick USB flash drive. Select your drive from the list and continue. It downloads Windows 11 and writes it to your USB in one go. This can take 20 to 40 minutes. Just wait. When it's ready, click Finish and safely eject the USB. This next step can feel secret agent level, but it's simpler than it sounds. We need to tell your computer to boot from the USB instead of its regular drive. Enter the firmware menu right after turning on the computer. Older systems call it BIOS. Modern ones call it UEFI. Same job. Common keys are delete, F2, F10, or F12. Watch for the on-screen hint. Find boot, boot order, or boot sequence. Move the USB drive to first position using the keys shown. Choose Exit Saving Changes. Your PC will reboot from the USB. With boot order changed, if you see the prompt, press any key to boot from USB. You've successfully booted into the Windows 11 installer. Confirm language, time and currency, and keyboard. Defaults are usually correct. Click Install Now. Enter your 25-character product key now, or click I don't have a product key if you have a digital license. Windows will reactivate automatically once you're online. Select the edition that matches your key or digital license, Home or Pro. Accept the license terms and click Next. Choose Custom. We're doing a clean, fresh start. You'll see all drives and partitions. A new PC shows unallocated space. Older PCs show multiple partitions. To do a truly clean install, delete the old recovery, system, and primary partitions. Stop when only unallocated space remains. Click Next. The installer will create the necessary partitions automatically. It copies files, gets them ready, installs features and updates, fully automated. When it restarts, do not press any key. Let it boot from the internal drive. On a fast SSD, this goes surprisingly quick. Sit back and watch the progress. After a restart, you'll enter the out-of-box experience to personalize settings. Confirm keyboard layout. Most can skip a second layout. Connect to the internet for activation and drivers. Name your PC. For example, Dave's laptop or Office PC. Sign in with your Microsoft account, or choose sign-in options for a local account. Create a PIN, faster and more secure than a long password. Review privacy settings. Turn off anything you don't want. You can change these later in settings. Choose how you'll use the PC. Accept or skip optional offers. Windows applies final settings, and then it happens. The vibrant Windows 11 desktop appears. If it boots to your old Windows, re-enter BIOS UEFI and set USB first. Plug USB directly, avoid hubs. Partition format errors? If you backed up, delete all partitions on that drive and click Next. Storage driver missing? Download your motherboard or PC storage, IRST, F6 drivers on another machine, and load driver from a second USB. Activation issues? Verify Internet, Edition, Home versus Pro, and run the activation troubleshooter. First, run Windows Update until it says you're up to date. Then get the latest official drivers, graphics and chipset for best performance. Restore your documents, photos, and other important data from your backup. Install essential applications, your browser, Office, and daily tools. With a clean foundation, everything feels better than new. You didn't just install an OS, you gained a powerful skill and peace of mind. Enjoy the speed, the security, and the calm of a system that just works. Today, you gave yourself the best gift, a computer that works beautifully. Section by section, you've completed your mise en place. Now go enjoy your fresh start.